Did you know that if you have an Ancestry subscription or have taken an Ancestry DNA test, that you can send messages to other members? You may have questions about a common ancestor or want to make an offer to explore a DNA connection. Here are 3 tips to increase your chances of receiving a reply from the relative on the other side of that computer screen. 1. Go into your Ancestry account settings and upload a photo. If they see a picture of you, they might feel more comfortable responding. Number 2, be brief, but not too brief. You don't want to overwhelm them with information in that first message, but you do want to include specifics about how you think you're related and the name of the family tree or DNA match that you're asking about. And number 3, be patient. People get busy. If you haven't heard back from someone in a couple of weeks, just send them a little hello to bump yourself back up to the top of their inbox. Oh, and if you didn't know this, whether you have a subscription on Ancestry or not, you can always reply to messages. And that's Genealogy in a Minute.